Hey guys, my name is Eli and I'm here from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram, giving you a quick walk around video on this 2012 beautiful red Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. I mean, for the year, it's a 10-year-old Jeep and it's in pristine condition. These tires are like new, trailer tow group, as you can see back here. So you could tow with this Jeep. The rims absolutely unique and beautiful, and then you know, the little star on the side here, on the hood, the 1941 is very nice design for this red Jeep. And go inside, and one thing that's beautiful about it is that beautiful colored interior. It is like the classic old Jeeps. This is as classic as a Jeep can get. And honestly, like for 104,000 kilometers, this has been very well taken care of by the previous owner. It's only one owner as well, so you have that peace of mind. One thing he did add is an aftermarket, after sale trailer brake controller is what they call those. So it does help you brake whatever you are towing with the trailer hitch in the back, because you do have the 4 and 7 pin wiring harness there as well. But yeah, so just to show you how beautiful this Jeep is, you could see very well taken care of and great condition for the year, but also with the mileage, this is as classic as a Jeep can get. And if you're looking for a Jeep, you'd love to drive a Jeep, but at a more affordable price, this is the one for you. And then one other thing I would love to point out on this Jeep, back in 2012, this was not standard, but this Jeep does have a rear view camera. So definitely you're getting a pretty loaded vehicle for the year. And yeah, and it has a JVC a screen over here. It is a touchscreen as well, so it does have lots of features for the year. I'll hop in and show you that once I start it up. See the screen start up. It does have heated seats as well, something you don't expect to see in a 2012, but it is available on this one, so definitely a great feature to have as well. But as you can see, it is a touchscreen. So and I'll show you over here, 104,000 kilometers. If you are interested in this Jeep, do give me a call. My number is 613-745-7051, and my extension is 1103. So that's 613-745-7051, extension 1103. Or just come on in and ask for Eli. I'd be happy to help you out. Definitely love to show you this Jeep. It is one of my personal favorites, especially for the year. I mean, you get everything you really need in a car, and the added Jeep features. So you know, the off-roading capabilities as well, the ability to just remove the top by unclipping these over here. Excuse me. So yeah, give me a call or come on in. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.